Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. My name is Mike Pitt. I make videos about business and crypto so you can grow your business, increase your profits and increase your portfolio. The title for today's video is Crypto Outlook 2023. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts over the next few minutes. Before I get into the main content of the video, I'm going to put my socials on screen here. So if you're active on any of those platforms, follow me there, send me a message and I'll respond in the usual fashion. Okay, Crypto Outlook 2023. Now, I know from my own research that the interest in the crypto sector has declined and people are not looking at crypto videos as much as they were doing for obvious reasons. And those obvious reasons are: point number one in this outlook for crypto in 2023 is the bear market. The bear market continues. So during 2023, the bear market is going to continue. Those of you who have researched crypto or watch a lot of crypto content will know that there's a cycle for crypto, a 4-year cycle, and we are in the bear market, and that's not due to finish until 2024. There are lots of macroeconomic factors. I'm not going to revisit all of those now because I've mentioned those in previous videos, and I'll put a link to one of those videos in the description or in the cards above my head now. So the bear market continues. So that gives a fairly sort of negative outlook on crypto for the next 12 months ahead. There's also ongoing court cases, not just the FTX collapse and Sam Bankman-Fried's pending court case, and then all his associates, obviously Caroline Ellison, and there's others that I'm not going to mention in this video. But it's not just FTX. It's also the investigations and court cases for people like Alex Mashinsky of Celsius, and Do Kwon will probably face some kind of investigation or court cases also for his part in the Terra Luna collapse.
You'll never get away with this.
This is all painting a very negative aspect to crypto. So people think, oh, it's crypto's all scams, all criminals and fraud and Ponzi schemes and rug pulls, and there is a lot of focus on that at the moment. So that, coupled with the fact that the bear market is continuing, gives crypto a very negative outlook, and that's understandable. But there is an upside to that. The upside is there are lots of investment opportunities. So if you're in a position, and I'll talk about this later in the video, if you're in a position to invest, then now is an optimum time. So point one for crypto outlook, the bear market continues. Point number two, this falls out of what's happened with FTX, but also what's happened with Celsius, and that's the question: are crypto exchanges dead? Are they finished? And their role as a temporary store of crypto assets, I believe that's finished. So people, if the crypto investors, even small scale retail investors or large institutional investors, have learnt the lesson. Hey, you don't leave your assets on crypto exchanges because you may never get them back again. That might be that's what's happened, obviously, with the sort of million creditors that are owed by FTX, and similar positions for people on Celsius. So I think that the use of crypto exchanges as a temporary store for assets is over. I think that is dead. Will crypto exchanges survive? Yes, they will, because you need to use a crypto exchange when you take your assets off cold storage. So maybe you've got a Ledger Nano X, for example, and then you need to move your crypto from there to Binance or Coinbase to sell your assets, and then obviously receive either another asset or fiat money. You still need an exchange, but you don't leave your assets on the exchange. You make the transaction and then you send your fiat cash or your alternative asset to your wallet again. So crypto exchanges are a necessary evil. They will continue. The most efficiently run will obviously last. Those that have been making inappropriate moves, whether illegal or unwise moves, investment moves behind the scenes, will not continue, and they'll probably be liquidated at some point or another. But those robust exchanges that are operating in an efficient manner and generating revenue legitimately through fees for transactions will be fine and will continue. Point number 3, lots of crypto projects will disappear. I saw, and I'll put a screenshot representing this. I saw an article on CoinGecko, just summarizing number of cryptocurrencies that disappeared during the year of 2021. And as at the time of speaking, it's beginning of 2023, there's over 22,000 cryptocurrency projects in existence. A lot of those may go the way of the 3,300 projects of 2021 that were deleted or removed from CoinGecko as a listing. That means either nothing happened in the project, there was no trade in the project, or the project turned out to be a scam or a rug pull. Those projects that evaporated, for want of a better word, during 2021 was over 3,000. And you have to understand that there are lots of projects in the current listings on CoinGecko and also on CoinMarketCap, which is on CoinMarketCap, that will not deliver any returns, that may not go anywhere. It may be a complete waste of money investing in those. Point number 4, to avoid investing in projects that turn into these dead projects, dead coins, you need to do your due diligence. Of course, I'm always stressing that, but you need to focus on those projects with solid fundamentals. Look at the history of a project, the team behind the project. Look at the utility and study the tokenomics. A lot of people don't do that, and then they just rush into things based on what they've read or somebody hyping up a particular coin, and they may have their own agenda. So focus on those solid fundamentals. If you want hints, and look at some of my videos where I've broken down some of the key points that I analyze for any crypto asset before I think about investing in it. So that might be a guide to you, and I'll put some links in the description. Point 5, manage investment. If you are in a position to increase your investment during 2023 in crypto assets, do so in a structured way, and the best approach is dollar cost averaging yourself into those assets that you believe have the longevity and will be worthwhile investments in the let's say in a 3 to 5 year period. That's the best approach. Continue to do so. It's not necessarily those projects that have all the hype around them. So I usually run in the opposite direction when I hear people talking about, this project will take me to the moon. Obviously, it's a crypto sector cliche. And also when people say it's going to 1000x, because it's not possible to predict that an asset will 1000x, particularly in a short time span. So when people are saying these things about particular projects, be very, very, very cautious.
I don't believe you.
Reluctant to put your money there. So that was my crypto outlook for 2023. I've not made any price predictions. I have in some videos given you price bands. So if you want to review specific projects, watch those videos and look at the price bands. But I don't think price action is where you should focus. You should focus on the longer term view, and obviously getting in projects that you believe in, that you have strong fundamentals. Hope this video has been useful to you. Thanks for watching all the way through. I look forward to speaking to you in the next video. If you like this video, give me a like. Please click on one of the 2 thumbnails to watch another video from me. Until the next time, peace.